What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EagleEyeFX, and in today's episode I want to share my weekly watch list and what I've been looking for in this week. Alright guys, so remember to show some love by liking this video, by subscribing to this channel, by turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our next episode. Alright, so guys, I want to start with the EURCAD. As you can see, it's been a clean, these are very clean setup you're looking for. All right, you can see that we had 1 2, so we're looking for actually a triple bottom over here. Then we'll be looking for a long-term sell, and you can see also here is giving us a very clean sell structure, right? And we have one, I mean a buy structure. We have 1 2, now it's coming to give us the third touch over here, before now we move to the upside. In fact, these are very good trade. I was doing this analysis last night. I actually drew this last night, and I'm so shocked. Okay, I'm not shocked, but I'm happy to see that even though I did not take this trade, actually this trade has played out. Okay, and that is what we call the beauty of backtesting. All right, you just backtest, use these tools to backtest and to sharpen your skill to see if it's playing according. You can see that here entered here some little loss, moving into the negative, and then you can see that it was a target of 6.3% up to this level over here. Then you can see that so far it's actually played a 4.82%. Imagine risking 1% to gain 4.8. By now you of course be in profits, and you can see it was an impulse move. There was this clean flag over here, especially when you go to the I think the 15 minutes time frame. That is where we saw the flag. It was very clean flag, I think, on the 15 minutes time frame. Here you can see over here. Then we actually were projecting to enter our sales over here, consolidated a bit, okay, consolidated a bit, and then just took off. So you can see EURCAD is still on a downward trend. Of course, we're waiting for it down here, then we can now start looking for buying opportunities to the upside. All right, let's look at our next pair. So you can see AUDCHF. It's been a very good pair that I've really taken advantage of. These are all trades that I've taken advantage of. Then you can see here that we had a very good descending structure over here, of which came down over here and gave us a double bottom over here. Actually entered some trade here, and I closed them when it was somewhere around here. Then you can see that already there's been a breakout of structure. All right, you can see that these are descending structure, and then look at how the market came. The market broke this structure, and then now I kind of corrected over here. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame or the lower time frame, you can see, so you can still enter your buys over here, put your stop loss somewhere below over here, and then take advantage of this movement to the upside. Okay, because as you can see that we had a clean see some sort of like a flag over here. There's this flag, and then there was a breakout. The market is correcting, and then I'm actually anticipating this market to move all the way to this level over here, and I'm actually targeting I think it's some 4%, yes, 4.1% on AUDCHF. So I'm looking for buying opportunities on AUDCHF. Let's go to the next pair. So you can see EURGBP. Okay, we had this structure over here, which has 1 2 3 touches. Then also we had this ascending structure over here, impulse move, correction, impulse move. Then you can see it has broken this level. So this market may actually continue going all the way to the downside, or the market may actually decide to come all the way to this level over here, give us a double top before we see a move to the downside. In whatever the case, in EURGBP, I'm actually looking for selling opportunities, either to this level as my first target, then all the way to this level as my second target. All right, let's look at EURJPY. So EURJPY, you can see that's been on a downward trend. Okay, and we had this impulse move, we had this correction, and then you can see here we had this structure over here. In fact, I was actually anticipating for this market to come to this level over here, maybe give me this double top over here before it start going down. But as you can see here, we had 1 2 3 a triple top, You can see the market has broken out, so definitely you can look for selling opportunities to this level over here, or maybe to this level over here. Or if this market decide to correct to this level or to this level, then you can still be interested in and sell. But you see, as of now, since it has broken this structure over here, then I'll be interested. I'll go to lower time frame. I'll look for entries in my selling opportunities, target this level or this level over here or this level over here as we go to the downside. All right, let's look at the last one. So GBPCHF has been on a downward trend. All right, you have an impulse move correction. You see that we have an impulse move here, we have a correction, we have an impulse move, and then look at this, gave us a beautiful flag. This is also a trade I was looking at last night when the market opened, and you can see same case, just came here, came back a bit, some few pips, and then now is actually on a downward trend. And what I believe is that it's going to play all the way to the downside. We're looking at a possible 9.54%. So on GBPCHF, I'm actually looking for selling opportunities. So thank you guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Leave us a comment. Show us some love by liking, by sharing, and by subscribing to our channel, guys. Right now we are in 430 subscribers. We are looking that, look, we want before this month ends, this August end, we are believing that we are going to cross 500 subscribers, guys. So share, subscribe. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.